Today is the International Anti-Corruption Day, a day when the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (ZAC) should be showcasing its cases and results, but it will not because there are no results to show. Sanapenda mashoko atoona kuti panguva inoi aiwa vakomana vobatiwa manje tinoka kunzi ZAC aiwa hapana kana any evidence yanga pakuti vakomana vari kubata basa voda kuti vakomana vari corrupt criminals, especially part of the regime, they are just being allowed to vaite zvavanoda. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa nahupo chimondoti vasubscribe like on the bell icon tikuda peni pakambosa these touching pictures amuri kuona awo ema youth care services emunyika yezimbabwe aiwa nekuda kwavo wakaita obuda nyora achiti the government of Zimbabwe claims the country is losing 1.8 billion US dollars annually through corruption. This is money looted directly from the government and indirectly through tax evasion by both the powerful and the politically connected. The collapse of everything in Zimbabwe can be attributed to two main factors: corrupt governance and incompetence. These are issues that could be resolved immediately if the regime had the will and cared about its people. Public hospitals have collapsed, roads are riddled with potholes, inflation is the highest in the world, and 95% of the potential workforce is unemployed. Meanwhile, everything is prohibitively expensive as the regime heavily taxes its citizens to cover up the looted funds. Ndo mashoko anobuda toka panapa aiwa navakomana vatapiri navo vachitora show mapictures avo chiona kuti aiwa maservices in the country aiwa achizoreduciwa aiwa to the west zvichionekwa kuti this is because yavakomana macriminals who are being allowed kuti valute. Zvinozoonekwa kuti nhasi on the day aiwa anti-corruption day vakomana veZAC vanoshuwa chavangaprezenda vachiratidza kunyange nemutungamiri wenyika kuti aiwa tiri kugona basa. Tuzive mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakume section medu, so subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.